Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bitcoin Core for mainnet sync and reliability. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a backup of your wallet.dat file. Locate your current Bitcoin Core installation. Close Bitcoin Core if it's currently open. Check the official Bitcoin Core website for the latest release version. Download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Verify the downloaded file using the provided signatures or checksums. Navigate to the directory where Bitcoin Core is currently installed. Remove the old version of Bitcoin Core safely, making sure not to delete your wallet or configuration files. Install the new version by running the downloaded installer. Open Bitcoin Core after the installation completes. Go to the Settings menu and select Options. Ensure that your connection settings are configured for optimal performance. Check the Network tab to adjust bandwidth settings if necessary. Begin the initial sync with the mainnet. Monitor the progress of the blockchain synchronization. Periodically check for further updates from the Bitcoin Core team. Keep your firewall and security software up to date to ensure maximum reliability. Once synced, enjoy the enhanced functionalities of the latest version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.